Hello, June 3rd, 2021. I am in Newaygo County, and I am at a field where I planted rye and brassicas in last fall. And of course, it comes back up in the spring, and sometimes I've mowed it and sprayed it and replanted. Other times I just wait, it's good fawn cover. I'll wait until July to do it. Or today I am planting right in it with my semi-no-till planter. I call it a semi-no-till planter because it doesn't have coulters, it has discs. And here is the rye seed head, and usually you think the best way to do this is to crimp it. And crimper is a roller with these fins in it with a chevron pattern about every 8 inches. They're 8 inches apart or so. I think I've done a video on it. In the place I went to, it didn't work. There wasn't enough rye to do it. It needs to be pretty thick to do it. But you take one of these seeds out. I'm just using one hand here, trying to hold this other. Take one of the seeds out and you squeeze them, and if they're moist and a little water comes out of it, that's called the dough stage, D-O-U-G-H, and it is ready to crimp at that point. You could get it too early, you could get it too late. The idea of crimping is to crimp the stem every 8 inches or so and kill it. Once you kill it, it turns into green biomass fertilizer, if you will. I'm not going to fertilize this. I'm planting soybeans in it. Normally, I would put salt-based potash on it, 0062. But I am not doing that. I am just going to plant. Now, I'm not getting them all because I'm not crimping. You can see I'm not laying them all down. So I'm trying this. I got a line on a crimper, but I just haven't quite set it up. I've tried this method before. This is a really sandy area, so I think it'll, I'm not going to kill it all, and what I don't kill, I'll come back and brush hog in a month or so, month and a half, and I will then replant it for right back in rye again. I'm also trying to create, again, the fertilizer, create green fertilizer into the ground, turn this into organic matter. It'll also protect the seed, hold more moisture. I'll do an update here in, let's see, maybe about a week or so, and see where we're at. And then I won't be around for a few weeks, and then we'll come back and visit it once I replant it. But that's what I'm doing here. And again, this is usually not the best method. Again, it's not. If I get 50% of it, so be it. But I wasn't too concerned with that at this point. And so yeah, that's what I'm doing today. And if you have any questions on it, let me know. Again, I'll try to get some updates on it as I go along this summer. You do have to really take into consideration too, when you do this with your tractor, that these seed heads will plug up your radiator. So you have to stop ever so often, either shut it off, wipe them off, or whatever. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Thanks for watching this little quick video. Please subscribe, and hey, God bless. So what I might do is, if I have time, I'm going this way right now. I may turn and go this way too. I tried it right there, two runs, and it really laid the stuff down a lot better. I just don't want to double seed it with the soybeans. So I may try that. It's laying it down a lot better there. Probably a little bit more successful than doing it this way. One quick thing too is some people have asked, why not let this go to seed and then reseed the field? Well, that's kind of a good concept, but you know, it's going to take, let's see, August, it'll dry out, and then the seeds will eventually fall down onto the ground. But what should happen is one seed made this. These are all seeds. I counted one smaller than this, and there was 30 seeds in it. There could be 50 seeds in this one plant. And then there's a plant every couple inches down here. So you would way overseed it. And if it was even drawn into the ground properly, but you would way overseed it, and there's just no guarantee that it would do that, would reseed itself. So that's probably number one biggest reason.